Okay, I'm about to unbox my package. I got some new hair. So we're about to do a unboxing. Oh my god, I am so happy, y'all. I got this inventory. New inventory. Okay, let's cut it open. Ooh. Inventory, y'all like. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google spreadsheet for your inventory and your business. Right now I'm showing you my inventory wall. I have unboxed everything. These are my HD 5x5 deep wave closures. Then I have the frontals. I do have body wave frontals and closures on hand. We sell 24 inches, 28 inches deep wave, 24 inches straight hair. The most popular hair right now, it is the body wave 20 inches because body wave can be straightened or curled. These are my inventory. I also have the wigs. I have bob wigs and multiple different kind of wigs units. These are all the inventory that I received from the unboxing. So once I do start selling them and price everything, this is what I keep on hand just so I am organized. When somebody comes to pick up the hair, they pay, I mark down that it was sold. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create a on-hand inventory price list using Google Spreadsheet. So we're going to begin now. We're going to start by using the Google Spreadsheet. I'm using my mobile Apple iPhone. So this is my inventory monthly list that's going on right now. I keep track of my inventory monthly. This is the April order that I have that I printed out that I showed you guys in the previous clip. So this is how everything would look once you have a good foundation started. So you're going to start by opening up the Google spreadsheet. You're going to create a new spread and also add a title. Just you can call this your monthly inventory. So the first thing you're going to type is the purchase date. Second thing you're going to type is the vendor. Third thing you're going to type in is the inventory purchase. The inventory purchase is like the items that you purchase. So if you sell lip gloss, this will be your lip gloss tube, the lip gloss gel, anything else that you purchase for your lip gloss business. Then the inventory sold is the items sold. Will be like the item sold, and then you will have the customer date, the date they purchased the item. We're going to have the item itself, and then the cost or the total price that we got. So the income. Those are the headers that you need. You will need your purchase date, the vendor, the purchase item, your customer information, the date, the income, and the item they purchased. So I'm going to use the example. The vendor will be called Zoe. After you get your vendor should always send you a quota. You can then take the quota that your vendor sends you from that order that you made and copy and paste it right under the purchase item. Or they will send you an invoice on an email, and then you can just copy and paste the direct invoice that they send through your email and put that link into the Google spreadsheet. That's two ways for you to keep track of the purchase items. Now the final step is to fill in the client's information when they purchase from you. We have our client, which is Abby. The day she purchased was May the 5th. And then the item that she purchased from us was a body wave wig. Then the price tag would be $130. That is how much I sold the unit for. And you're able to do this with any kind of hair, business, design that you have. Just fill in the information that targets your customers. At the end, you're going to add in the month and then just make that bold. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like these kind of videos, comment down below and please share with some friends, and I'll see you guys next time.